Ready for texture. In Substance Painter, go to New and import your FBX like mine with these settings. Then press OK. Let's bake it. Use the same settings as me and press bake. Return to painting mode and delete the existing paint layer. Add a fill layer and put it inside a group. Add a black mask, then add a paint layer inside that mask. Select the parts you want using polygon fill. Go to UV chunk fill and invert your paint color to black by pressing X. Then deselect the front part. Name it and do the same for the white fabric and plastic parts. Add a smart material, in this case, fabric baseball hat. Drag and drop it onto your black fill layer and delete the test layer. Add another fill layer for AO and change the color to red so the result is clearer. Add a black mask, then add a generator called ambient occlusion. Invert it and adjust the balance until you're satisfied. Add another fill layer. Turn the color off and add a paint layer to it. In brushes, search for top stitching legacy and double click it. Now draw your stitches using the paint align path tool. Before that, turn symmetry on. You can place points and then adjust them. If you click on the path here, you can change the color, size and many other settings. Do the same process for the other stitches. You can also reduce the base color opacity to achieve your desired results. You can always organize your folders by coloring them. Right-click and pick a color. Let's do the same for white parts. paint your mask with white and black for these two materials. Now let's create the lace fabric. Add a fill layer, a black mask, and then add a fill layer inside that mask. Select the circle texture and drag it into the mask's fill layer. Increase the tiling and adjust the balance and contrast. Add a paint layer above this fill layer and paint the unwanted parts with black using polygon fill. Now, enable the opacity channel in texture set setting. Turn opacity and set it to black. Don't forget to change the shader to PBR Metal Rough with Alpha Test to see opacity in the viewport. Now it's time for the Hellfire Club sticker. In materials, search for Embroidery, drag it onto the model, place it and adjust it like me. Increase the projection depth to 1. Add your PNG to the asset library. Drag and drop it into assets, change undefined to texture. Then plug it into the image input and tweak the settings. Let's move on to the plastic material. I prefer the base roughness to be around 0.5. Add a fill layer with a black mask and apply a dirt generator. Increase the roughness slightly. Add another fill layer with a black mask and use the metal edgeware generator. Reduce the grunge amount and balance. Lower the base color opacity and slightly increase roughness on edges. By holding Shift plus right click and moving your mouse, You can change the HDRI. For the final step, add a paint layer, set it to pass through, and right-click and apply it to all channels. Add a height to normal filter, turn off word units, and reduce the normal intensity. Add a contrast filter and increase it slightly. That's it. Like and subscribe if this was useful. See you next week.